Hi, and welcome to this informational presentation about Carroll High School's Algebra 1 Change Initiative. And today we're going to be talking about the summary of the roadmap to change and how we're actually going to achieve our goal. Speaking of our goal in this change initiative is to increase the percentage of students passing the Algebra 1 ECA by 3% each year for the next 5 years. We have decreased about 14.5% in the past 2 years, so this steady goal of 3% per year should get us back to our high level and our high standard within the next 5 years. And our first goal to do this is to improve the alignment and instruction in our Algebra 1 enrichment courses. And these Algebra 1 enrichment courses are basically remediation periods for these students. And we're going to establish these lab remediation periods with a regular education math teacher and a special education math teacher. And we will plan this each summer with the schedulers and work with them to create an adequate amount of two-teacher classes for the students that need remediation. We'll also use the math curriculum and assessment alignment team, or the math CAT team, to improve the vertical alignment between middle school and high school math courses, and they can do that during the monthly CAT meetings, and they'll have an outline created before the end of the first semester of year one. And we'll also implement a more rigorous pre-algebra course at the middle school level, and this can happen during that same math CAT time, and that will they'll have an outline created before the end of semester one of year one. Our next strategic goal is to explore the opportunity or the feasibility of students taking Algebra 1 over the course of 2 years as opposed to just 1 year. And this would only be done by forming an exploratory committee to pursue the feasibility of this. And on that committee would be schedulers, teachers, administrators, and counselors. And if it is, we'll create classes before year 2 to get it implemented. And then finally, our last part of this initiative is to work with our 2 middle schools to target students who are struggling in math during their 8th grade year and get them into remedial summer school classes to shore up their math fundamentals and their basics before they get into Algebra 1. And we would do this by working with the counselors at both middle schools and identifying the students who are struggling in 8th grade. And we will create a list of those students before the 3rd quarter ends of each year. And then the middle school counselors will speak with the parents of said students about summer school opportunities, and they will make a decision on summer school before April 30th of each year. And then during the next year, we need to track these students and see if the summer school initiative is even working. And so we'll take the grades from their first semester of freshman year math and compare it with the summer school grades and their 8th grade year grades and see if improvement is being made. And these goals are meant to get us to our change initiative goal of a 3% increase for the next 5 years. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please feel free to direct them to me. Bye-bye.